How to remove text from video without blur in Capcut. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can remove text from video without having to blur them in Capcut. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Capcut. Tap on new project, or you can just select the project that you have been doing and select the video. Tap on add, and after you tap on add, make sure that you take the screenshot of this first. So take a screenshot, and after you take a screenshot, crop it. Now after you crop it, make sure that you save it to your photos. Now you can go back and go to an app called Snap Edit. It's this one right here. Now what you'll want to do is just select the photo that we just screenshot. So after you select the picture, what you need to do is you'll need to tap on erase and select this app hacks right there, and tap on remove, and it will take its time, but the text will get removed, and tap on done. Now save this image, save it in your phone. So after you've taken in the screenshot, tap on overlay, and after you tap on overlay, tap on add overlay and import the image. Now after you import the image, make sure that you zoom it in and you align it. After you do that, you can extend this picture all the way to the end too. Let me just delete this, and what you need to do here is tap on the image again and go to this option right here called mask, and tap on this rectangle one. You can choose whichever you want. So after you set it right above the text, now there you can see, play the video, and you'll notice that the text is gone. So it's that simple guys. Now you can export this video, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.